Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Book with No Pictures by B.J. Novak. Warning! This book looks serious, but is actually completely ridiculous. If a kid is trying to make you read this book, the kid is playing a trick on you. You will end up saying silly things and make everybody laugh and laugh. Don't say, I didn't warn you. This is a book with no pictures. It might seem like no fun to have someone read you a book with no pictures. It probably seems boring and serious, except here is how books work. Everything the words say, the person reading the book has to say, no matter what. That's the deal. That's the rule. So that means even if the words say Blork. Wait, what? That doesn't even mean anything. Blurf. Wait a second, what? This isn't the kind of book I wanted to read. And I have to say every word the book says? Uh-oh. I am a monkey who taught myself to read. Hey, I'm not a monkey. And now I am reading you this book with my monkey mouth in my monkey voice. That's not true. I am not a monkey. Yes, I am a monkey. Also, I am a robot monkey. What? And my head is made of blueberry pizza. Wait a second. Is this whole book a trick? Can I stop reading, please? No! And now it's time for me to sing you my favorite song. A song? Do I really have to sing a glug glug glug, my face is a bug? I eat ants for breakfast right off the rug. This book is ridiculous. Can I stop reading yet? No? There are more pages? I have to read the rest? My only friend in the whole wide world is a hippo named Boo Boo Butt. And also, the kid I'm reading this book to is the best kid ever in the history of the entire world. Oh, really? And this kid is the smartest kid too, because this kid chose this book even though it had no pictures. Because kids know this is the book that makes grown-ups have to say silly things and make silly sounds like, oh no, here it comes. Glurgawaka ma grumpa dee I, broog, 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 oomph, eef, blaggity, blaggity, glibbity, globbity, globbity, glibbity, beep, Boop. Eee! Badungi face. Please don't ever make me read this book again. It is so silly. In fact, it is completely and utterly preposterous. Next time, please, 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 please choose a book with pictures. Please, because this is just too ridiculous to read. The end. Bonk. I didn't want to say that. Thank you everyone for reading along with us to the story, The Book with No Pictures. When I first heard about this story from a friend of mine who was also a teacher, I was a little hesitant because I felt like children needed more meaning in books. However, when I read this to my students in elementary school, they loved it, and it made them not be as scared of books as they used to be. However, I would love to hear your experiences with this book. Comment below your thoughts about the story and what you thought when you first read it. If you enjoyed this story and want to keep up with more read alouds by Reading Pioneers, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really would help out a lot with the uploads and creating more content as the days go by. There are more books in this growing library of ours, so until the next upload, you can check out some of these other stories that I think you'll enjoy. Unfortunately though, this is all the time we have for today's video. So, until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.